Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, here I am at Hobby Lobby looking at their home decor. Come on with me, guys. Do you see those nutcrackers? I am absolutely loving it. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now always remember to head on over to the community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So not only am I absolutely loving the gingerbread, but I am loving those nutcrackers. So I am also a huge fan of those trees. I am loving that. So look at these beautiful gingerbread dishes. I am loving them. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.